Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of June 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, with an overall gain of 0.93%. This equates to an average return of 0.19% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. Our analysis of the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 39.8% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 25.64% to 64.55%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 27.06%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between negative 6.04% and positive 106.82% over the next year. In practical terms, this implies a future price range of approximately $309.25 to $680.72. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Tesla stock after gaining 1.17%. The Tesla stock price increased by 1.17% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025. It rose from $325.31 to $329.13. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.73% with a low of $326.41 and a high of $332.05. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, but it is still down by 3.96% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 46 million shares, totaling 83 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $27.16 billion. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest was $177. Currently, the price is 32.63%, or $159.41, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has recently captured attention, particularly as the company prepares for a pivotal moment with the imminent launch of its self-driving taxi service, a move seen as crucial to its future growth. This launch, while potentially transformative, follows a challenging year for the automaker, marked by declining electric vehicle sales and increasing scrutiny over its leadership and operational decisions. Analysts have expressed skepticism, with firms like Guggenheim issuing sell ratings and highlighting a disparity between Tesla's stock price and its underlying fundamentals. This skepticism, coupled with recent modest price increases on the refreshed Model S and Model X, raises concerns about the value proposition amid rising competition in the electric vehicle market. On a positive note, some analysts have pointed to Tesla's edge in the self-driving space, suggesting that it could outperform rivals like Waymo, potentially bolstering investor confidence. Moreover, recent stock rebound indications, including a notable surge of 14% following CEO Elon Musk's public engagements, hint at a short-term recovery phase. Looking ahead, expectations are for Tesla's stock price to reach a base target of $500 later this year if technical signals hold firm. The mixed outlook reflects both the volatility inherent in the automotive sector and Tesla's continued pursuit of innovation. These dynamics will likely impact investor sentiment significantly in both the short and long term, as the company's ability to execute its ambitious plans remains closely watched. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned TSLA a sell grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TSLA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TSLA a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at $318.54 and $319.84. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day despite a rise in stock prices, creating a divergence which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and thus far the stock has declined by 9.3%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some intriguing signals you may want to consider. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 15 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal emerged 88 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal appeared 6 days ago. Long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal, was indicated 4 days ago. If we examine the chart spanning 12 months, we observe short moving average, a sell signal, was recorded 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was noted 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal, appeared 15 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.70. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.64 between its high and low, which is 1.73%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.48%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 430 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $334.07. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 22,640 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.592. Overall, insiders acquired 1,102,872 shares and disposed of 3,764,970 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $313.15, representing a decline of 4.86%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, leading to a medium level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several negative indicators, suggesting it could be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be wise to consider it a hold or accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we expect Tesla to open higher by approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $329.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.